There's a lot of things going on. This side right here is flat. I'm only doing one eye at a time. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to try out the new L'Oreal Telescopic Lift Mascara. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and let's get into the video. So I'm sure you guys have seen this all over TikTok. A lot of people were saying that when Mikayla made the TikTok using this mascara, at the end of the TikTok, they said that it looks like she threw on a false lash at the end of her lashes. So people are kind of calling her out for it. If this does work, I don't need to wear false lashes, because that was a lot that she got from this mascara. I will insert a couple pictures of people showing when she just had mascara on to the end of the TikTok where they're saying that the falsies are. Now, I watched quite a few TikToks, you guys, and some people really zoomed in and you can see something that looks like falsies, but then again, I have no clue. I went into her comments and I saw that Mikayla said, because a lot of people were calling her out saying, why did you throw on falsies and so on. And I did read the comments, and Mikayla said that she did, I believe, 3 to 4 coats of this mascara and she tight lined. So I already tight lined, and I'm gonna go in with 3 to 4 coats of this mascara here. And then you're supposed to use like 2 different sides of it. I don't even know. This mascara was like $15. I think it was like $14.99. So for being the drugstore, it's kind of expensive. There's a lot of other mascaras out there that are cheaper and that I know that work. So I really hope that this one works. And if you hear something, that is Rocky. He's like digging at the ground right now. The packaging is pretty cool. I do like it. I did get mine in the shade Black is Black, and this is not waterproof. They had 2, one waterproof and one non-waterproof. So this is kind of weird. It is kind of weird. I'm gonna have to rewatch the TikTok of how she uses it, because it's a little different. So this side right here is flat. I don't know if you guys can see. And then you have the side right here, and then this is the round bristly side. So I'm gonna watch her TikTok real fast just so I can make sure I do it right, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I just watched it, and what she did is she went in with the round side first to coat her lashes, and then she flipped it to the side to kind of comb it out, and that's what we're going to do. I have nothing on my lashes right now, as you can probably tell. Am I using the right one here? And then she used this side to kind of comb that out. Okay, so this is 1 coat. Let's go on with the second coat. I'm only doing one eye at a time so I can see the difference here. Okay, 2 coats, nothing. Let's go in with another coat. Okay, this is 3 coats. This is what it's looking like so far. 1 more coat. So this is 4 coats of mascara on my upper lashes. On my lower lashes, I only did 1 coat. But this is what they are looking like. So there's nothing on this eye. And this eye, we have 4 coats. I'm going to finish up this eye and then we'll talk. Okay, so this is 4 coats of mascara. My thoughts. Okay, so I do believe she did throw on some falsies at the very ends of her lashes because it does look nice. Okay, I do like it. It does give you a very full eyelash look, but it definitely doesn't have the look that she did at the end of her TikTok. Also, keep in mind, on the TikToks, on YouTube, on Instagram, if they are getting paid to talk about that product, they're gonna show that it's a paid partnership. So keep that in mind. Mikayla did get paid to, you know, make a TikTok on this mascara. She has it posted that she got paid for it. When people get paid to sponsor a product, the real test is to see how often they actually use that product. Now, I know that a lot of makeup influencers have a lot of makeup, so they don't talk about the same product over and over again, but they do if it is the bomb, right? They will talk about that product a lot on their channels or TikTok accounts. Like, they are going to just always like be like, oh, I'm using this or whatever it may be, because they really like it. So they're going to continue talking about it. Now, if she doesn't talk about this mascara ever again, then I would have to say she did it for the money, which is not the right reason to do it. I do like it. It's not the worst mascara. It's actually more on, like, higher up on my list of mascaras. It's really nice. My only fear is that I put so much on that I'm scared it's going to flake everywhere. Now, that is the big test for me when it comes to mascaras. Is it going to create a huge mess underneath my eyes? Because if it does, then it's out. Like, I just throw it, because I have dark circles already, so I don't need anything to make my under eyes any darker than they already are. And also, I'm getting older, so there's a lot of things going on underneath my under eyes right now. So that is going to be the true test to see, does it flake and kind of crumble down onto my face? Because if it does, it's out. I just won't use it. My own opinion is, yeah, I believe that Mikayla threw on some falsies at the end of that TikTok. Do I believe this mascara is good? So far, I really like the way that it looks. Like I said, it's up there in mascaras from the drugstore. Definitely up there. The wand is different, but nice. I usually am picky when it comes to the wand of mascaras, but I like it. It's a little intimidating at first, but if you use it correctly, it's nice. I do really like it. I didn't have problems with getting it on my eyelids or anything, or when I was doing it on my bottom lashes, I didn't have problems getting it on my underneath my eyes or anything like that. So it was really nice that way. And I do like the comb kind of separating them out a little bit. It does give you more of that spiky kind of look, which I personally do like. But like I said, I do feel like this is gonna, like, once it dries, it's going to kind of crumble and fall, and I hope it doesn't. If it does, I will leave it in the comments. I will pin a comment and let you guys know that it is flaking. But yeah, we will be keeping this one. This one will be staying in the collection unless it does me wrong. Then it will be tossed out, just like that foundation. I really hope you guys are having an amazing day, and I will see you guys in my next video.